Today, let's take a look at the production process of nougat in the factory. First, workers mix white sugar and water together. They heat the mixture, and during this process, it's important to stir continuously over low heat. As time passes, the sugar melts into a liquid and is boiled until it reaches a temperature of 130 degrees Celsius. On the other side, workers beat egg whites and then pour the cooked syrup into the beaten egg whites. They add the syrup while stirring until it forms a milky white paste. The mixture is then poured into another large container, and butter and milk powder are added and mixed evenly. Next, the pre-roasted peanuts are added. The mixture is stirred properly. During the stirring process, it's important to control the speed and time of stirring to avoid overmixing or undermixing, which could affect the texture of the nougat. Once the mixing is complete, it's necessary to knead the mixture by hand while it's still hot. The nougat is kneaded and pressed into 1 centimeter thick blocks. These blocks are then cut into equal-sized squares. They are then placed into the cutting machine.